Referral. This is where the fun starts. Now, you've added a bunch of people to the My Trusted Connections tab using the Add to Trusted Connections button and adding them one by one to your trusted connections. Now you can see a list of all your trusted connections here. And as you can see, I've added a lot of people. Each of these individuals has a number next to their name, and that is the number of trusted connections that they have added to the app. The goal here is that if you trust somebody and that person trusts somebody else, then when you get that referral, it's going to be much easier. This is how easy it's going to be. Take Mark Lader, for example, who has 77, and Mark Jarrett, who's got 59 trusted connections within their app. All I need to do is click on this button here, View Trusted Connections. What it's now doing is it's showing me Mark Jarrett's trusted connections. You can see I've already asked for a request to meet Rupert Honeywood. Let's say I would like to meet Steve Morgan or Sally Kent or any of these individuals. Let's say I'd like to meet Janet. I click on the button, Request Introduction. It says, why would you like to be introduced to Janet? And any terms and conditions. Give a reason. Don't just say, I want to sell something to them. Give them a good reason why you believe Janet's a good referral, and also any commission or that you're willing to offer or any terms and conditions regarding that referral. You then just click the button, Request Introduction, and it will then appear in the section of the app under Referrals. And this is where you're going to be able to monitor your referrals and your introductions. What I've just shown you is how to do a referral where you're actually going to request a referral. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use this button over here, Introduce, and how you can introduce two people to each other.